Well, it's Thursday again, so welcome to Sushi's Stampin' Snippets. Today, I'm titling it Washi Tape to the Rescue. You can look at my blog spot for other information from me, and it's www.sushystamps.blogspot.com. So it's about time when a lot of people are going to be getting their first Stamparatus. And there's a couple of hints that are really important to follow when you have your Stamparatus. On the back of your Stamparatus is where the magnets are stored, and they are very strong magnets. You can see how hard it is for me to pull that magnet off of its storage space. It is very important to keep them when you're not using them in their storage space. So I've got a little trick for you that will help you be able to get your magnets off easier than I just did. If you take some washi tape, and you will absolutely need 2 strips. So I have 1 strip of washi tape. I'm wrapping it around the magnet, and it will not affect the magnet's ability to hold your paper in place. I'm then wrapping a second one around it because 1 strip of washi tape really isn't strong enough. It'll rip. And so I have a little flap here of washi tape, and I'll lay my magnet in its home, and you can see that the washi tape helps me pull it off very easily. Now, the caution about the magnets is that they can very easily break in half. And at a recent craft event where I had my Stamparatus, someone who didn't know that accidentally broke my magnet in half. Now, I'm thinking that the washi tape, it's kind of awkward looking here, but that the washi tape might come to my rescue again and hold these 2 magnet pieces together. So I'm going to wrap it around once, and then when I wrap it around the second time, I'm going to try and overlap the exposed adhesive part so that it won't be sticky. Oh, I ran out of my washi tape. I don't know about you, but I love washi tape. I can find so many uses for it. But here we go. I've got my washi tape, and it's a little bent, but I feel like now I can have a full use of a magnet. And there we go. Now, when you're crafting, I have one more hint about your magnets. I usually keep 2 little clear stamping boxes, and when I'm using my magnet, or when I'm not using it, instead of putting it on the back, I stick each magnet in one of these clear stamping boxes, and then I know that they're not going to touch each other, so that when I lay my paper down on here and need a magnet, then I can take them out one at a time. So I hope the washi tape and how it rescued me will help you when you get your Stamparatus. Happy stamping!